Hello, my name is Tomáš Vránek. I am the CEO and founder of ICE Industrial Services. I would like to introduce you our innovation solution of 3D printing of concrete. On the market, there is many variation of 3D printers printing concrete. What we are unique is that we have developed a world unique solution of printing from on-site concrete. During last years of development, we have printed out thousands of prototypes of different structures, where you can see that we are not only focused on the material and the machinery, but the major part of our research is also architecture. We have our own team of architects who are bringing a different point of view on how the constructions could be made. I would like to personally invite you to come and see all this by yourself and discuss some opportunities for cooperation. Thank you.